To set up online ordering for service, the first step is to sign up for a free PartsTech account. To sign up for a free PartsTech account, go to Setup. Under the PartsTech Service Center, Ordering, there's a Sign Up for Free Account option. The sign up will take you to the PartsTech website so you can register your company. The registration process will guide you through adding a PartsTech user who will be using the online ordering. You can set up either a company account or by individual user. A PartsTech username and API key will be provided with the sign up. The username and API key will be added back to the Autodeals. Under Setup, you go to Usernames and API keys, and here you can see there's two IDs already. For the first user, you'll just click the green plus and then select the user and copy and paste the PartsTech username and API key over from their website. Subsequent users, you can click the green plus, select the user, and it will automatically populate the default username and API key. So in this way, we can protect your business from malicious use. However, you can also assign individual usernames and API keys if you wish, but the general setup is to have one main ID and API key, and then those are applied to each additional user. Please also open a help desk ticket once you have your username and API key, and we'll make sure that PartsTech is fully turned on so that you can get quoted parts online, that you can order online, and you can have all that information flow into Autodeals with little or no effort. Thank you so much.